Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how we can use Find and Replace tool in Microsoft Word. If you see it's helpful, don't forget to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe. Let's start. From Home, here we have Find and Replace. Click Replace. Good. Just for example, I have name Gabriel. I want to replace it with name Ahmad. Just find what? Find name of Gabriel. Just insert Gabriel. Okay, replace with which word? For example, Ahmed. Okay, replace. You see, it shows this one. I want to replace. Just replace. This time, this one. Replace. This time, it shows this one. Replace. If you want to replace all together, just click replace all. All done. We made 6 replacement. Okay, close. Now you see all name of Gabriel replace it with Ahmed. That's the way to use Find and Replace tool efficiently. That's all. Have a nice day.